Honda CMX500 Rebel Best Motorcycle Review, Tubular Steel. The Honda CMX500 Rebel is a surprisingly fun bike to ride with a unique look and easygoing nature. It was replaced in 2020 by a revised Honda Rebel 500. It won't be to everyone's tastes, but those it appeals to will absolutely love it, and for A2 license holders wanting something a bit different, it certainly stands out from the norm. Ride quality and brakes. Tipping the scales at 190 kilograms, the Rebel is pretty light on its wheels at slow speed and has an excellent turning circle, making U-turns a doddle. It's an easy bike to maneuver at walking pace, and this, combined with its low seat height, makes it reassuring, easygoing and perfect for less experienced riders. However, up the pace and the Rebel really surprises. Through tight and twisty bends it is an absolute blast, far more competent than it has any right to be, in a machine that makes you grin from ear to ear. Yes, the suspension and brakes are a bit basic, but you can't half-hurl it around from one rather low foot peg to the other, and on a twisty set of bends it is an absolute blast. I never thought it would be as much fun as it was, and that's what left me so surprised. It's a genuinely entertaining bike to ride, and that's something that should be applauded. Engine. The beating heart of the Rebel is a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin taken from the CB500, but retuned for more bottom-end torque. The final result is 44.6 nanometers at 6,000 RPM and 44 brake horsepower at 8,500, which makes it ideal for A2 license holders. Honda say the linear power delivery and strong bottom-end torque makes it perfect for city riding. The twin has a 180-degree firing order that Honda say, combined with the 2-to-1 exhaust and shotgun muffler, gives it a heavy-duty pulsing feel that befits the bike. The CB500 engine is what it is, and with just 45 brake horsepower on tap it is never going to spring any nasty surprises. It's refined, smooth and has enough grunt to get the Rebel above the national speed limit while remaining extremely versatile in town. The clutch is light, the gearbox a touch clunky but hard to fault in its operation, and the throttle response is nice and precise. Reliability and build quality. The parallel twin motor, retuned from the CB500, has been around for a while with no major mechanical woes, and the Rebel is well built considering its price point. It's a budget bike but does appear well built, and the styling is funky and different. Our Honda CMX500 Rebel owners' reviews show a handful of very happy people, and an overall rating of 5 stars. Value versus rivals. The Rebel is bang on the money for the A2 legal market. It's a touch more than some rivals, but its unique look sets it aside from run-of-the-mill machines and helps justify its price tag. It has an 11-liter fuel tank and will hit a claimed 73.4 miles per gallon according to Honda. Equipment. There isn't a lot in terms of standard Honda Rebel 500 accessories. Preload adjustment is only on the rear and ABS is the only other highlight. The Rebel is built to a price, and you can't expect too much in terms of extras. It does, however, have a gauge to show Honda Rebel 500 fuel economy, which is pleasing. Clearly, style is everything on the Rebel, which is why it has been blacked out where possible, with the minimum amount of paint used. Completing the bobber look is a steeply raked 11L fuel tank and fat tires rolling on 16-inch cast aluminum wheels. Amid the old-school looks does live some modern technology, such as a one-button LCD speedo, hidden ignition, and ABS. What about a Honda Rebel Custom? The pillion pad can be taken off with the removal of just 2 bolts, and the rear foot pegs are just as easy. There is a range of tailor-made accessories such as a rack, saddlebags, screen and 12V socket. The Rebel is available in 3 colors: graphite black, matte armored silver metallic and millennium red. In fact, Honda say one of the key elements of the Rebel is customization, and MCN agrees, including it in our Best Custom Motorbikes feature. For example, in 2017, Honda teamed up with Paige Mikoski of 1970s-inspired California lifestyle brand Aviator Nation to create the Honda Rebel Plus Aviator Nation, pictured above, which was unveiled at the South by Southwest Festival in Texas. The Aviator Nation Rebel got a hand-stitched brown leather seat with embroidered Aviator Nation logo, shortened front and rear mudguards, gold tank with Aviator Nation's signature 4 stripes, brown leather handlebar grips, round mirrors, a smaller brake light and caged headlight. Mikoski said, "When I was given the opportunity to customize a 2017 Honda Rebel, I knew that I wanted to create a classic, clean look reminiscent of those heritage Honda bikes. I was inspired by vintage motorcycles from the 70s.